Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn English with Faisal Hamid. Today we are going to deliver a lecture on phonetics and phonology, and we will learn different vowel sounds. You can see the kit vowel I have written here. It is not the complete vowel, but it's a word that will help you to remember this sound. The main sound is this, between K, K, and T. So this is E sound. What you are going to learn, E sound. It's a vowel. There'll be no obstruction in air when we are going to pronounce this sound. And you are not going to make your lips round. Your lips will be flat. So the vowel sound is E. And you will remember it with the word kit. Let's see what features it has. It is the first vowel of the 6 vowels, and it is known as the kit vowel. And remember, the sound is E. I repeat, E. It's short, very short. It's not longer. It's E. It has phonetic symbol like this. It looks like a capital I, but remember, its size should be equivalent to small letters of alphabet. It is a small version of the capital letter I, which is the same height as the letters A, C, E, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, and Z. These are letters of alphabet. Remember, the size will be equivalent to small letter of alphabets. Be careful not to make this symbol too tall because you are going to write it. The serifs. What are the serifs? These two lines, these are called serifs. Remember the word. These are called serifs. The additional small lines at the ends of the main line, and they are essential part of this symbol whenever you are writing transcription of words or even of a symbol. You have to put these serifs. And it should be more prominent when transcribing by hand. You cannot skip it. It is part of your transcription of the vowel sound. Always remember, now we will talk about always remember in stressed syllables. What are stressed syllables? The syllable where we are stressing. So that will be a more prominent sound, combination of sounds. So we are here in stressed syllables. We are going to learn how this vowel is going to present different spelling combinations. The first spelling combination is I. Don't mix letters of alphabet and phonetic sounds or symbols. This is I. It's not E. So wherever you find this I letter, you are going to present it with this E sound. Mostly. Like here, I have 2 examples. Number 1 is lip, and number 2 is tin, L-I-P. So here, I will be presented by this sound, E. And same is with tin, T-I-N. So sound will be E. So tin. Second combination that you have to remember is Y. You will find the same spelling, the same letter in spellings like cyst and gym. C-Y-S-T and G-Y-M. So in both cyst and gym, Y will be presented by sound E. So cyst, gym. Third one is letter E. For example, you'll find the sound in the beginning of the words like England and English. So this capital E in the beginning of both words will be presented by the same vowel sound that is short, E. So English and England. Same with third word that is pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. It's not in the beginning, but it's in the middle. So this E in pretty will not be pretty, but pretty. And in pretty, E will be represented by the same sound, E. The next combination is I and E. But remember, wherever you find I and E, it is not necessary that it will be presented by the same E sound. Here, like sieve, it's not sieve, but sieve, S-I-E-V-E. So here, I-E will be presented by E. Next one is O. You will find it in W-O-M-E-N. So this O will not be woman, but women. Women. So this O will be presented by the same sound, that is E. And last one is U. And words are busy and business. This U will not be busy, but it will be busy. This U will be presented by short E sound. And same here with business. When it is alone, it is bus. But when it is combined, it is business. And remember, it is business. We usually pronounce it business. But the actual pronunciation is business. Now we'll talk about homophones. First, we need to learn what are homophones. Homo means same and phone means sound. So we are going to discuss the words which have same sounds but different spellings. And this E sound will be found. First one is W-H-I-C-H and W-I-T-C-H. Both will become which. Here, this I sound is presenting E. Then guilt, G-I-L-T and G-U-I-L-T. Both will be pronounced guilt, G, I, L, and T. Guilt. Gild, G-I-L-D and G-U-I-L-D. Gild, G-I-L and D. Gild. Fourth one is in, I-N and I-double-N. Both will be pronounced in. Fifth one is F-I-double-N and F-I-N. Fin. Sixth one is S-I-C-K and S-I-C. Both will be pronounced sick. Next one is T-I-C and T-I-C-K, tick. Now we will see the transcription with the kit vowel. You'll find the sound in big, B-I-G, B, I, and G, big. Still, S-T-I-double-L, S-T-I, and L, still. L-I-S-T, L-I-S-T, list. Then we have Film, F-I-L-M. So it will have four sound, f, I, L, M. So film. Then when, W, I, and N. When. You'll round your lips for pronouncing this sound. Then trip, T-R-I-P. It will become T, R, I, P, trip. Then we have pick, P-I-C-K. So P, I, K. Four letters, but three sounds. Then we have six, S-I-X. It is opposite to the previous one where we have four letters but three sounds. But here, three letters and four sounds. So S, I, K, S, six. Let's see one more. Give, G-I-V-E. Four letters but three sounds. G, I, V. Give. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. K, W, I, K. Quick. Then we have kid. K, I, D. Kid. Skin. S, K, I, N. Skin. Then we have hill. H-I-double-L. But three sounds. H, I, L. Hill. Miss, M-I-double-S, and M-I-S, miss. Hit, H-I-T, H-I-T, hit. B-I-T, B-I-T, bit. Then we have risk, R-I-S-K, risk. Tip, T-I-P, T-I-P, tip. Then we have bill, B-I-double-L, B-I-L, bill. Mix, M-I-X, but sounds of four. M-I-K-S, mix. Then we have sick, S-I-C-K, S-I-K, sick. Then split, S-P-L-I-T, S-P-L-I-T, split. Then we have twin, T-W-I-N, twin. Then we have fit, F-I-T, fit. Then we have sit, S-I-T, sit. Then hip, H-I-P, hip. Then we have tin, T-I-N, tin. Kill, K-I-L, kill. Stick, S-T-I-K, stick. Then we have lift, L-I-F-T, lift. Thank you for watching.